Hi, I'm Adjuna. I've been to Eumundi school since prep, and I'm an only child with no pets. I love writing. I feel that it really frees up my creativity and lets me just express myself. I love doing the daily challenges because, it gives you a challenge, one thing, and also because I love how there can be things like write a story with 63 words, but every sentence must have a word that starts with B in it or something. I really love using Writer's Toolbox. I think it's really great to build up the confidence in writers. I love how it has so many things in it, like the precision, the sentence length, paragraph length. Yeah, I love everything about it. It's really good. I also love the feedback. I think that's really good because it really helps you with what you've been doing overall, your sentence length, and it really shows you how you can improve your writing and everything. I've only been using Writer's Toolbox for 2 weeks, but I can already see that it's a great program and that a lot of time and effort has been put into it. Yeah, it's really good.